Welcome to our roundup of the best soda maker options. Whether you're looking to cut down on store-bought sparkling drinks, reduce plastic waste, or simply enjoy fresh, fizzy beverages at home, we've selected top-rated soda makers that combine convenience, carbonation power, and stylish design. We'll break down each model's key features, including carbonation method, build quality, ease of use, bottle compatibility, and overall value, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal soda maker for you. The first on the list is the Sparkling Water Machine Soda Maker. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to start making sparkling water at home, this model delivers impressive results without overwhelming features. It stands out with its one-touch carbonation system, sleek, space-saving design, and quick snap-lock bottle installation. Designed for everyday convenience, it fits easily on most kitchen counters and blends well with modern decor. Using this soda maker is straightforward. Fill the included bottle with cold water, attach it securely, and press the carbonation button to control the fizz level. Whether you prefer light bubbles or intense sparkle, you can customize your drink in seconds. The manual carbonation control gives you flexibility, allowing you to experiment with different textures for sodas, flavored waters, or sparkling juices. The build quality is sturdy enough for regular use, and the BPA-free bottle ensures safe drinking. Many users appreciate how quiet and efficient it is compared to bulkier countertop appliances. It's also compatible with standard carbon dioxide cylinders, making refills accessible and convenient. Maintenance is simple. The detachable drip tray makes cleaning easy, and the compact structure means you can store it in cabinets when not in use. Overall, this sparkling water machine soda maker is an excellent entry-level option. It offers reliability, ease of use, and customizable fizz without unnecessary complexity. If you want fresh sparkling water at home without spending too much, this is a practical and satisfying choice. Next up is the Breville BCA 800 BSS InFizz Fusion Sparkling Water. The Breville BCA 800 BSS InFizz Fusion Sparkling Water is designed for users who want premium performance and greater versatility. It features fusion cap technology for controlled release, stainless steel construction, and compatibility with both water and beverages. This makes it one of the more advanced soda makers on our list. Unlike many standard soda makers that are limited to carbonating plain water, the InFizz Fusion allows you to carbonate juices, tea, cocktails, and even wine. The Fusion cap system carefully manages pressure release, reducing mess and overflow. This gives you more creative freedom in crafting drinks at home. Overall, the Breville BCA 800 InFizz Fusion is ideal for those who want more than just sparkling water. Its premium build, innovative carbonation system, and beverage flexibility make it a standout option for creative drink enthusiasts. Next, we have the IC North America Soda Siphon Classic Mesh Soda Maker. The IC North America Soda Siphon Classic Mesh Soda Maker brings a traditional twist to home carbonation. It stands out with its classic stainless steel mesh design, compact handheld form, and professional-grade carbonation cartridges. This model offers a nostalgic soda fountain experience with modern efficiency. Unlike countertop soda makers, this siphon uses small carbon dioxide chargers inserted into the head. After filling it with cold water and inserting a charger, the siphon pressurizes the liquid. A simple press of the lever dispenses perfectly carbonated water with a satisfying fizz. Its stainless steel body keeps water colder longer and adds durability. The mesh exterior provides both grip and a timeless aesthetic that looks stylish in any kitchen or home bar. Because it's compact and lightweight, it's easy to store in the refrigerator, allowing you to serve chilled sparkling water instantly. This siphon is especially popular with cocktail enthusiasts. It works beautifully for carbonating water used in mixed drinks, spritzers, or classic sodas. The carbonation level is strong and crisp, often comparable to commercial sparkling water. Overall, the IC Soda Siphon Classic Mesh Soda Maker is perfect for those who appreciate a traditional, hands-on carbonation method. Its professional feel, elegant design, and powerful fizz make it a favorite for home bartenders and sparkling water purists. Next, we have the Philips Soda Streaming Machine. The Philips Soda Streaming Machine is built for simplicity, reliability, and everyday convenience. It highlights manual carbonation control, cool tool-free quick lock bottle system, and sleek minimalist design, making it a strong mid-range option for families and regular users. Operation is refreshingly simple. Fill the bottle, twist it into place, and press the top button to carbonate. You can control the intensity by pressing multiple times, allowing you to customize your drink exactly how you like it. The mechanism feels solid and responsive, delivering consistent fizz every time. The design is clean and modern, fitting seamlessly into most kitchens. Its compact footprint ensures it does not take up much counter space. The included reusable bottle is BPA-free and durable enough for frequent use. Another benefit is compatibility with standard carbon dioxide cylinders, making refills accessible. There's no need for electricity, so you can place it anywhere without worrying about power outlets. Maintenance is easy thanks to its straightforward design. The removable parts are simple to rinse and there are no complicated digital components to manage. Overall, the Philips Soda Streaming Machine is a dependable choice for anyone who wants quick, customizable sparkling water without extra complexity. It's practical, stylish, and designed for everyday use. The last one on our list is the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. The SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker is one of the most recognized and trusted soda makers available. It features quick connect carbon dioxide cylinder technology, snap lock bottle insertion, and customizable carbonation levels. These features make it both user-friendly and highly efficient. The Quick Connect system simplifies cylinder installation, eliminating the need for twisting or complicated setup. This makes replacing carbon dioxide cylinders faster and more convenient. The snap lock bottle mechanism ensures secure attachment, reducing spills or misalignment. With just a few presses of the button, you can control how fizzy you want your drink. Whether you prefer light sparkle or bold carbonation, the Terra delivers consistent results. The included reusable bottle helps reduce single-use plastic waste, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Its modern design looks great on any countertop, and the machine operates without electricity. This makes it portable and easy to position anywhere in your kitchen. Maintenance is minimal, and replacement cylinders are widely available. Overall, the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker offers reliability, ease of use, and strong brand trust. It's an excellent all-around option for households that want consistent sparkling water with minimal effort. So that's it for the best soda makers you can choose for your kitchen. Whether you prefer a budget-friendly starter model, a premium multi-beverage system, a classic siphon, or a trusted household name, there's a perfect fit waiting for you. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay refreshed.